you. Doing good. Oh crap.
It's really stuck, huh?
It's really stuck.
It's really stuck.
I didn't know that it would be this strong. Mom, be careful.
Oh, I'll be careful. Thank you.
I'm really strong, but it's just too strong for me.
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh,
All right.
I think
It says don't touch that yet. We gotta put the water in first.
I see the key. Don't touch it. Don't touch
Is that
that
enough of that
key.
over there, you think?
Boy.
Ooh.
Do not touch that
Yeah.
key.
Yeah.
And we gotta get some
Okay.
water.
Well, be so careful. All right. Then what?
Okay, fill cup with water and pour into top of volcano. Watch the volcano erupt.
Okay, Charlie, here we go.
Not
Hold
yet,
on,
baby.
hold on, baby.
Just leave that in there. Okay, pour the water in.
Can you help me,
Here it
Charlie?
goes.
You gonna help me pour?
Here it goes. Oh boy.
Oh, it's
Look, look
erupting.
at-
Hazel, look out. It's erupting.
It's erupting. Wow.
Run for your
It says,
lives.
did you get lava or ice?
We got ice.
You got ice.
Ice.
Wow.
And then what? Because Charlie's digging
Now
at it.
retrieve the X key from the eruption. So she's supposed to dig in there. Good job,
Okay,
kiddo.
keep digging, dude.
There's a key in
Can I
there.
help?
There's a key in there.
Mommy, can I help?
You can help.
You can help.
Can I get the snow out?
Get the snow
Oh,
out.
I see that. I see some. Oh, for a second. I got it, dude. I got it.
There it is, Charlie.
Hey, now what is this for?
It says turn the volcano over and peel off the foil seal.
Oh, okay. Where's that?
Okay, do you want to dig some more, Charlie? Or do you want to flip it up? You want to dig a little more? Good digging.
I got it. Almost got it.
Good job. Oh, you
Yeah.
got it.
We got
Okay, should we flip it over, dude?
Okay, flip it over.
Flip it over.
Now what's it gonna do?
Whoa.
Snowy time.
No.
Okay, put it down.
What's on the bottom that we
Yeah,
have?
Nothing.
to
You
know?
gotta,
You gotta turn it
Oh, we
over.
gotta flip
over,
it and
then
set
we
it down.
peel this off.
There,
It
now
says
that goes peeled off.
Oh,
that's another difficult
be
one.
careful. Be careful. Try be careful, Mom.
Okay,
Do
thank
you need some
sweetie.
scissors?
Maybe it's like
You
it's
need
peeled off. The,
scissors, Mom.
I think I need some scissors. I think you're right.
Wait, I see half of it. There's something in there. There's something in there. There's something in there.
Okay.
It's like a goo.
Wait, it says warning, water.
Yeah.
Warning. Warning.
Is it the cake?
Maybe like a knife to poke this instead of scissors. But
Be careful. It says warning.
oh, be careful.
Okay.
These seals. Oh, be careful.
I'll hold on to this here. A little better.
Yeah, it's like it wants the top wants to peel off
Oh,
and not
there's
the bottom.
water. That's water. Water. Water.
Just use the scissors
Oh,
and cut
boy.
the whole
I got the
thing.
key if you need it, guys. I don't need the key. Okay, you can hold it. Okay. Just don't drop it.
There it goes.
Oh, look, I have this one.
Get out.
There's something in there. It was extinct.
Look at that. Oops, sorry, bud.
Look at that. Hazel, I think you got the eyesight.
So,
I meant not Hazel.
Charlie.
Charlie. Huh?
Charlie.
I wonder what the
I
key
see.
is for.
Okay. Now it says turn over and remove the wax volcano from the shell. Ready?
There.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Wait, it's something I would have stinked.
Now use your X tool to carve away the volcano and reveal what's inside. So you can dig with your tool.
Dig down there with your tool.
Do you want Towns to help you get started?
Oh, yeah, I can easily do
So you
this.
can use all 4 sides.
No, God, it's time to hold. Oh,
Oh. Slimy.
yeah, it's slimy. It's ice. Became ice. You can eat it.
No, don't eat it.
Yeah.
No, it's not to eat.
It's not to eat. It's just to play with. You could.
Oh, it's just to play with.
It's just to play with, yeah. It's not food. There's something in there.
I think it's a dino when it
think it's in there?
stinked. It's a dino that went extinct a million years
You think it's an extinct dinosaur for 1,000,000 years ago?
ago. Yeah.
Either that or it stinks.
Wait, I'm getting something out. I think I see something. I'm turning it. I see something. I can figure it out. There's something in. I'm trying.
Do you want to help Charlie?
Look! There's
What
You
something.
want to grab it that one
Here's
time?
this one. Are you gonna hold on your little key? Like you can help. You don't want to do it? You don't have to. Towns can do it.
Okay, I'll
Good
get.
job. You did a good cut, kid.
Okay. Oh, that's a woolly mammoth horn right there.
Woolly mammoth horn right there.
I think we got an eyesight.
Look, baby, you can help.
Try to
Don't
comfort
stress.
her a little.
Look, here you go. You can help. Go.
Can you help her? Yeah, just help her cut it.
Yeah. Oh, good work,
Oh,
Charlie.
I see.
Look, he's
No,
helping.
Charlie, you're doing good.
You're
Woo!
Yay!
What's
You got
that?
one now. Yay!
What is this sound?
Look, cut.
Okay,
Oh,
be
what
careful.
is in there? You
I
want to check it out?
I'll help.
Oh, you guys do it together?
Be careful not to break it.
Yeah, we gotta help get it out.
You're doing great, Charlie.
You're doing really good. Try and keep going.
Dig.
Good cutting, kid.
Towns.
Cut his finger off.
cut. You're doing awesome.
That-
Get out.
Help me with my side.
Look, I
That poor
see
creature
something.
stuck in
It's an
there.
eye. It's
I
an
see
eye.
something.
It's an eye.
Wow, look at that.
It's staring at us.
Oh, man.
I think we woke
Let's help
it
it
up.
get out, huh?
We woke it up.
Let's help it get out of there.
We woke it up, guys.
There's some more of it.
We
It's
woke
okay, Charlie.
it out.
Yeah, we're getting it
We
out.
can't
Getting
Get
it
it
out.
out.
Keep going, baby. You're doing so good.
We have
watch,
to help
watch
it.
Towns' fingers. Can you help her with things?
Yeah, she just.
We gotta help that creature.
You almost
Poor
got it.
creature. He must have been stuck in here for 1,000 days.
Yeah, eons.
Yeah, and nobody
You're
knew
doing
he
awesome,
was
baby.
alive.
You're doing so good.
No, I gotta
Yeah,
check out.
look
I
at
got
that.
that's another eye.
There's another eye.
There's another eye.
Oh my gosh.
That tail, and they're open.
Look at
This
that.
is something she's never seen before.
No, this is.
I never seen it before. His
Never
teeth.
seen it
I see
before.
his teeth.
What?
Let go for a second. I think I see his teeth.
Oh my goodness.
Or maybe it could be his teeth.
Yeah. Do you want to do some more digging, Towns?
Yeah, we gotta get this guy out.
So,
Oh, he's almost out.
Almost. He's almost out. You're doing so good.
Okay, we just gotta get this part out.
Oh boy. Whoops.
Oh,
That's a goofy creature.
okay.
You can feel that. You can feel it. Can you feel it?
Is it slimy?
So funny.
Ooh, it feels like ice. It's cold.
Yeah,
An ice
yes, it
creature,
is.
huh?
Cold like ice.
Whoa.
Wipe it on my pants.
Wait, hold on.
And it seems like ice.
No one's
never gonna do that.
Wait, I see he has a trunk.
What?
He has a trunk.
Now it's like a scene from Alien.
Look.
You got him out.
Oh boy.
But wait, he meets his body. It's still in there. He meets his body. He can't go with only his head.
That's true.
What is it?
It's a
Is it like an elephant?
It's a woolly mammoth. Mommy.
It's
Woolly
a woolly
mammoth.
mammoth.
It's a woolly mammoth.
Oh boy.
It's a woolly mammoth.
Yeah, that's awesome.
got the key.
And you got the key for it.
Let me do
You
it.
I think the
got
key
the
goes
key.
to that little, to this.
got
That you gotta use the key to open up the
Where is it?
meteor and find your treasure.
Ta-da!
Treasure.
I think I found it.
Look,
I
it's
see
a
it.
cute little animal. It's a cute little animal.
Aww.
Can I hug him?
You can hug him. Let's put his head on him.
I'm having a
There
hard
you
time.
go. Yeah, you can hug him. There's some
Aw.
out.
Yay, you got him.
You got him out.
God. This can ice.
He's walking on the ice. Good job.
Ah,
He's so
guys,
happy.
we have bad news. This mirror is really hard to open.
Oh boy.
You want me to see?
Yeah. Wait, what if his baby's inside there? We don't know. We don't know his feelings too.
Oh,
Oh, it's not a baby.
it was watery.
It's Wally.
I didn't wash my hands.
I don't know. I'm assuming this is
What is it, Towns?
Oh, so.
It's an arrowhead of ice.
Wow. We need to keep this somewhere safe. I think there's a collection of these.
Maybe inside the
Right.
meteor.
So we'll have to come back here someday.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody keep this somewhere safe.
Here, let's just put it with this stuff for now.
Oh boy.
Can
Did
I?
you find the key?
Hey,
Find the key?
Can I hug this
Here's
guy?
a little rock.
Yeah.
You have the key and then little
You got this
rock.
little rock.
Here, I just hugged him. Look at him. He's giant.
He's so happy
Key
you
goes
got
into that
out.
little hole right here.
put the
Put
key
the
in
key right there.
Well, looks like wait.
job.
And then turn
Guys,
it.
guys, come
You're
here.
so good.
We got this guy.
You did.
Look, Hazel, we got this guy.
What's his name? Does he have a name?
Oh, right here.
Frost
Frost
Smash.
Smash.
Frost Smash.
This
Well-
is called Frost Smash.
Hello, Frost Smash.
Thank you for freeing me from that ice.
You know, how did you actually get stuck in there?
This one's
Good
hard.
job,
Don't worry,
Char.
Kiddo. You did really good. Look
You have
at
to turn it
that.
like this.
Oh, you just like it in there.
Yeah, got it. I got it. Great. Yeah, good job.
Good job,
Good
dude.
job.
There it is.
Yay, she did it.
Wait, guys, look, this is the one we got.
Yeah.
And
you got
there's
that
still these ones that are fire.
one. Wow.
So we're not done with our journey yet.
We're not done with our journey.
So looks like we first started this one. So guys, so we're right here on the map,
Okay.
and now we just have to make it here.
Journey to there.
Yeah, and then we go here,
Journey
and
to
then
there.
to the last one.
That's right. I think you're right.
So,
Very cool.
Was that super fun?
yeah,
Yay, that was fun.
yeah.
Don't
We have
keep
to
it.
remember the map, guys.
Leave it alone.
Okay.
That was
Put a hot
fun
pad on
and
it.
key.
Remember, guys.
We got a
Remember
new
the map.
toy.
We need to find all of them
Yeah.
and see what's inside.
Probably in the next
Yeah,
one
that's
when you
cool.
open it with your cousins. You might, when you open yours
Charlie,
with your
don't-
cousins, you might
Charlie,
find
don't
some
put it
different
I
ones.
don't want to watch
You
that.
gotta wash it off first.